This is all I was able to get for today. We had some rain this morning. So let me show y'all what I had to do. I caught the squirrels out here stealing my watermelons. So for right now, what I did, I temporarily put down, what you call this cloth? I can't think of the name. Oh, netting. I temporarily put down this netting right here to try and deter them. But I'm going to do something different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a top over this area right here. Maybe not this garden season, but for the next one. I'm going to take this area right here alongside here and put me on top over it and fence it in. Completely in. And hopefully that will keep the squirrels out from destroying the watermelon. And when I saw him, he took off running. He know he wrong. But I'm going to remedy that. I don't mind if they get some of them, but I know how squirrels are. They would take all of them and hide them somewhere or just destroy them. So I'm going to have to protect my watermelon crop by putting a cover over it and completely blocking it off from the squirrels. At least that's my plan. See how the insects are attacking this plant instead of my squash. I don't know what kind of, like a beetle, I don't know. But I'm going to go on in here and harvest these squash out of here. Try not to disturb the bees too much while I'm doing it. But I got to get them. They're ready. My zucchini is still not producing as it should. I haven't gotten but 2 from it so far. Maybe because it may not just be time. Maybe those just was an early harvest. I see some more blooms. But the thing about it, the bees, they love the squash plant. Look at that. That one in there now. They love the squash plant. Well, there are 2 of them. I'm not going to disturb them. I got a summer squash about ready to come out. I'm going to give about another day or 2. So that's where I'm at now. Trying to protect my watermelon crop. With the garden, an in-ground garden, it's always going to be something. Corn is getting ready. I got some bugs on it. I got to try and identify what kind of bugs they are. I missed one. I missed a squash plant over there. You can barely see it. Let me go get it. Okay, that's it right there. I see a green tomato. I like green tomatoes. Let me see how big they are. I'm going to have to step over in this bed, but I'm going to be careful. I'm going to let it get just a little bigger. I did thin out some of these plants right here. I put some right here. They're still looking kind of droopy, but they look better than they did. I'm yet to clean that out. And I might just let it stay. If it'll attract insects and pull them over there, I'll let it stay. But I don't know which way I'm going to go with it yet. I was looking for that kudzu vine. It comes back every time. Because if you don't get it out the root, if you don't pull the root up, completely destroy the root, it will continually just come back. I got one pepper forming. Let's see, let me get the camera where you can see it. I got one pepper forming right there. And some little small ones right there. I'm not really looking for these bush beans to do anything. It was kind of got a little late when I planted them, but I'm going to let them stay for a minute. And if I don't see anything producing, I'm just going to rip them out. Put something else there. Well, that seems to be my harvest for today. So I'm going to take this in and get it washed up. And maybe blanch them and freeze them, except for the pickles. Or maybe give them away. I don't know which one I'm going to do. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.